Hi students, this is Sivakumar. 11th standard mathematics chapter number 3 continuation of exercise 3.7. Now problem number 5. If triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and angle A that is equal to 90 degree, then prove that three subdivisions are there. First subdivision cos squared B plus cos squared C that is equal to 1. Second subdivision sin squared B plus sin squared C that is equal to 1, and the third subdivision is cos B minus cos C that is equal to minus 1 plus 2 root 2 cos B by 2 into sin C by 2. Given ABC is a right angle triangle, particular angle A that is equal to 90 degree. We know very well sum of three angles in a triangle that is equal to 180 degree. Since angle A is 90 degree, sum of the other two angles also 90 degree. So 90 plus 90, 180. So B plus C that is equal to 90 means B that is equal to 90 minus C plus C comes right hand side minus C, or else C that is equal to 90 minus B plus B comes right hand side minus B. Let it be. Now subdivision number 1, cos squared B plus cos squared C. I take that LHS. Cos squared, this B can be replaced by 90 minus C. Then cos squared C right as it is. Now can go for that ASTC concept. I tell you again, I have written the LHS. Cos squared B can be written as 90 minus C and cos squared C as it is. Now you can go for that ASTC. Here for 90 degree cos becomes sin angle C, write the square as it is. For 90 minus lies in first quadrant everything is positive, therefore it is also positive, plus cos squared C. We know that sin squared C plus cos squared C that is equal to 1, since sin squared theta plus cos squared theta that is equal to 1. Over. Now subdivision number 2. This one is RHS. Subdivision number 2, LHS, sin squared B plus sin squared C. Sin squared B plus sin squared C. We have to prove that is equal to 1. Sin squared right as it is, B can be replaced by pi by 2 minus C plus sin squared C that is equal to. For 90 degree, sin becomes cos angle C square right as it is. 90 minus once again lies in first quadrant, everything is positive, it is also positive. Positive square is positive, here also the positive square is positive, plus sin squared C as it is, that is equal to sin squared theta plus cos squared theta, you know very well that is equal to 1. Write the reason, since sin squared theta plus cos squared theta that is equal to 1. Now subdivision number 3. LHS, we have cos B minus cos C. Cos of B that is equal to 90 minus C. B that is equal to 90 minus C. And this cos C right as it is. For 90 degree cos becomes sin angle C, 90 minus lies in first quadrant everything is positive, therefore it is also positive, minus cos C equals. Here we have to apply two formulae. One is sin A formula, the half angle formula, 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2, and cos C half angle formula in terms of sin 1 minus 2 sin squared C by 2. So I write here A, here also A. So cos A formula 1 minus 2 sin squared A by 2, half angle formula. Now we can apply, instead of A we have angle C here, so it can be written as 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2 minus cos c that is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square c by 2. If we apply this formula only, we can get this RHS. Actually, cos A has 4 formulae. We have to apply this formula only for getting the result, remember. That is equal to 2 sin c by 2 into cos c by 2 minus into 1 minus 1. Minus into minus plus 2 sin squared c by 2. Look at that, we have minus 1. Here also we have minus 1 in RHS. So write this minus 1 first. After that 2, here also 2, take 2 as common, sin c by 2. Here also we have 1 sin c by 2 as common. After taking 2 sin c by 2 as common, we have cos c by 2 plus 2 and 1 sin c by 2 common, we have 1 more sin c by 2 here. That is equal to minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into cos of c by 2 that is equal to, c can be written as c that is equal to pi by 2 minus b, pi by 2 minus b divided by 2. Here also c can be replaced by pi by 2 minus b divided by 2. That is equal to minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into cos of, this 2 is common for pi by 2 as well as b, so pi by 2 minus b by 2 plus sin of pi by 2 divided by 2 minus b by 2. That is equal to minus 1 plus 2 into sin c by 2 into cos of pi by 2 that is equal to pi by 4 minus b by 2 plus sin of pi by 2 that is equal to pi by 4 minus b by 2. If you have doubt, I work out here, you just listen. Pi by 2 that is equal to, write the numerator as it is, and division become multiplication. 2 reciprocal is 1 by 2 that is equal to pi by 4. Pi into 1 pi, 2 2s are 4. Here we have to apply the identity cos of a minus b, here sin of a minus b. Cos of a minus b and sin of a minus b identity. Cos of a minus b that is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. And sin of a minus b identity is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Now here this is a, this is b, a, b. So instead of a have to replace pi by 4, instead of b have to replace pi by 2. Here also. Now cos a cos b, cos a instead of a pi by 4 into cos b as b by 2 plus sin a sin b, that is sin pi by 4 into sin b by 2 plus here sin of a minus b formula, here it is sin a cos b, that is sin pi by 4 into cos b as b by 2 minus cos pi by 4 into sin b by 2, close the bracket. That is equal to minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2 into cos 45 value 1 by root 2 into cos b by 2 plus sin 45, pi by 4 means 45 degree, sin 45 degree is also 1 by root 2 into sin b by 2 plus sin 45 value 1 by root 2 into cos b by 2 minus cos 45 value is 1 by root 2 into sin b by 2, close the bracket. Plus 1 by root 2 sin b by 2 minus 1 by root 2 sin b by 2 both get cancelled. That is equal to minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2, I write in the next page, minus 1 plus that is equal to minus 1 plus 2 sin c by 2, right, as it is, into, after writing 2 sin c by 2, here 1 by root 2 cos b by 2, here also 1 by root 2 cos b by 2. How many times 1 by root 2? 2 times 1 by root 2 cos b by 2. 2 times 1 by root 2 cos b by 2. That is equal to minus 1 plus 2 into sin c by 2. Can rationalize the denominator, or else 2 into 1, 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. 2 itself, root 2 into root 2, and 1 by root 2 as it is, cos b by 2. 1 root 2 get cancelled, that is equal to minus 1 plus, here 2, here root 2, that is 2 root 2 into cos b by 2 sin c by 2. Cos b by 2 sin c by 2, that is equal to RHS. Look at the RHS. We have minus 1 plus 2 root 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. It is proved. So subdivision number 3 also over. So question number 5 completed. Exercise 3.7 is over. Thank you, children.